Restore Britain is our last hope. Join the cause and the movement, because I don't think we'll be here for, the foreseeable future, really, if Rupert don't win. It's just crazy. And I was a reform, I was a reform devotee. I mean, I shared everything, supported Nigel Farage in the beginning, but turns out he's just another lefty scumbag, really. He's just part of the main, the main stupid establishment, really. He's part of the globalist agenda. So, support Rupert. I would definitely be voting for him 100%, and so should you. Yes, especially if you're in the UK or even internationally, just support him. He has all he knows what he's doing. He's already getting attacked, as is, as we expected from the lefty scumbags. But vote for him, all right. He is our last hope. Okay. His immigration policy, 100 pages long, beautiful. Get rid of all illegals. It's fine wine. That's what that was. Fine wine.